After making a video on Lewis Hamilton and Charles Leclerc's Millionaire car collections, we are back with another F1 player's insane car collection. And this time it's Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen isn't just a Formula 1 champion, he is worth $210 million, so there is no doubt he explores the high-speed world with his $6.4 million personal collection that includes everything from a Porsche, Aston Martins, rival cars like Ferraris, and even a private jet. Stay till the end to see the crown jewel of his collection. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Number 10. 2014 Renault Clio RS 200. Max Verstappen's first car, the Renault Clio RS 200, might have seemed like a big deal when he got it at 18. But what truly stands out in his collection is the Renault RS 01. This isn't just any car, it's the most powerful one-make racer Renault has ever built. And you can't find it in any showroom. Why? Because there are no production models available for public purchase. Painted in yellow, it is powered by a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, which is derived from none other than the Nissan GT-R. That means serious power, allowing it to produce 550 horsepower and reach top speeds of 186 miles per hour. But what makes it even more special is its design, the aggressive aerodynamics, delivering a driving experience that feels like Formula 1. What's really cool about the RS01 is that it's not street legal. After all, it's a $400,000 car that really stands apart in his multi-million-dollar garage. Number 9. 2016 Aston Martin DB11. For a guy who, at one time, bribed his driving instructor for a license due to being only 17 years of age, now owns an unmatched collection of cars. Amidst this lies his 2016 Aston Martin DB11. Yes, the same model of car that became famous in the James Bond film Spectre. The DB11 is powered by a 5.2-liter V12 engine that delivers 528 horses and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4 seconds with a top speed of approximately 187 miles per hour. The car is sleek, yet muscular, just like his driving style. And let me tell you that the starting price for the DB11 is around $214,820. This super luxury sports car offers seating for two with features like advanced infotainment systems, customizable ambient lighting, and high-end audio systems. Known for swapping out his Aston Martins, after the DB11, Verstappen moved on to the Vantage. The one constant is his Formula 1 champion status and love for high-performance cars. Number 8. 2018 Aston Martin Vantage. Max Verstappen's 2018 Aston Martin Vantage packs a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine sourced from Mercedes AMG that produces over 500 horsepower and a top speed of 195 miles per hour. But it's not just about speed. The Vantage is agile, thanks to its lightweight aluminum chassis, and is characterized by a low stance, a prominent front grille, and sculpted body lines that provide a completely different personality to it. Wait until you listen to it roaring. I'm surprised at how good it sounds for a turbo, non-tuner engine. In an interview with GQ, Max Verstappen described the car by saying, "It looks very aggressive. I think it's very racy." The Vantage seems to have always held a special place in the Dutchman's heart, only when it's not serving as the F1 safety car, which he compared to nature's slowest creature, the turtle. But the Vantage and DB11 aren't the only Aston Martins in his garage. His collection also includes the 2018 Aston Martin DBS Superleggera, which was sent back with barely 1,240 miles on the clock and one of the most expensive models that will be revealed at the end. Number 7. 2018 Ferrari 488 Pista. During the F1 break, Max Verstappen took his $543,000 Ferrari 488 Pista out for a little getaway with his girlfriend. Riding in a machine built to thrill is a pretty solid way to make anyone fall in love with you, right? It offers a 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, producing 710 horsepower, making it the most powerful V8 Ferrari has ever produced. Max knows how to make a statement, both on the track and off. This beast is all about speed and can hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds, providing a top speed of approximately 211 miles per hour. This typical red-colored Ferrari comes with an F1-inspired front S-duct and redesigned diffusers. Trust me when I say that it is constructed using ultra-light materials, because it is about 90 kilograms lighter than the 488 GTB. Even Jeremy Clarkson dubbed this two-seater as Car of the Year, highlighting its insane performance. Number 6. 2017 Mercedes-Benz C63 S AMG. Next, we have the 2017 Mercedes-Benz C63 S AMG, and this is going to be the cheapest car of the video. This high-performing luxury coupe has a 4-liter V8 twin-turbocharged engine that produces 504 horsepower, delivering a thrilling top speed of approximately 180 miles per hour. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. But this car isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about the experience along the way. Inside you can find high-quality materials, sports seats, an advanced infotainment system, and AMG-specific design elements. With an estimated price tag of $75,000, it's a smart choice for car enthusiasts who want power without breaking the bank. Sadly, it didn't stay in his garage for long. He put it up for auction just after owning it for less than a year. This quick turnover also makes it difficult to keep track of exactly what cars have been in his collection. Number 5. Ferrari SF90 Stradale. Everybody is a Ferrari fan, isn't it? Max Verstappen owns a Ferrari SF90 Stradale that takes its name directly from Ferrari's 2019 Formula One car, the SF90, and was named in honor of Ferrari's 90th anniversary. The SF90 Stradale isn't just any Ferrari. It's the brand's first plug-in hybrid, combining 3 electric motors with a 780 horsepower V8 engine to produce a total output of around 1,000 horsepower. That's the kind of power that can reach a top speed of 211 miles per hour and push it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. In January 2023, Verstappen was spotted in Monaco, getting up close and personal with this stunning vehicle. The car he checked out featured the Rosso Fuoco fiery red paint and the Assetto Fiorano package, which includes performance upgrades like a lighter body and enhanced aerodynamics. But wait, this isn't the end. There's one Ferrari owned by him that will be revealed soon. Number 4. 2016 Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Max Verstappen's 2016 Porsche 911 GT3 RS is a car that perfectly mirrors his on-track dominance. You'll get to know why. The car is finished in a sleek silver color, complemented by black wheels and contrasting yellow brake calipers. This beast is powered by a 4-liter flat-6 engine, producing 493 horsepower. That's enough to launch the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds, reaching a top speed of 193 miles per hour. But Verstappen's choice of the 911 GT3 RS isn't just about speed. It's about the connection between man and machine. What better way to celebrate your first Formula One victory than by treating yourself to a remarkable car? After securing his first win for Red Bull at the 2016 Spanish Grand Prix, where he made history as the youngest ever race winner and the first Dutch driver to top the podium, Max Verstappen marked his success in style by purchasing a Porsche 911 GT3 RS, which set him back about $400,000. Considering that he was only 18 back then, he got it only after the approval of his father, who, if you didn't know, is himself a former F1 driver. We can say that it was his first car with F1 paycheck. How cool. Mark that day. There's no ceiling to what this guy can achieve. Number 3. Honda NSX Type S. A guy who lives life in the fast lane was gifted a Honda NSX Type S for winning back-to-back championships with Honda engines. At 2022's Honda Thanks Day at Motegi, an annual event the company organizes to thank its motorsport drivers and fans, the NSX Type S is not just any Honda. It's a performance beast limited to only 350 units worldwide. It is powered by a V6 engine paired with 3 electric motors, producing a combined output of 600 horsepower. What you might not know is that the car features an innovative torque vectoring all-wheel drive system, enhancing its handling and performance. The starting price for the NSX Type S is around $171,495 for someone who is not lucky enough to be gifted one. Number 2. 2019 Ferrari Monza SP2. Max Verstappen owns a Ferrari Monza SP2 that is priced around $1.8 million. Under the hood, it's powered by a 6.3-liter V12 engine that pumps out 810 horsepower. That's right, 810. With a top speed of 180 miles per hour, it can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. With no roof or windscreen, the Monza SP2 is one of the closest you can get to driving an F1 car on the road. Its design, though, is more inspired by sports cars from the 1950s. The Monza SP2 isn't just any supercar, it's part of an elite club. Alongside Verstappen, this car is owned by the likes of celebrity chef Gordon Ramsay and AC Milan striker Zlatan Ibrahimovic. With only 499 units ever made, owning one is like having a piece of automotive history. Number 1. 2022 Aston Martin Valkyrie. To top it all off, Max Verstappen owns a 2022 Aston Martin Valkyrie that is truly a dream car for many. The Valkyrie's story begins with a unique partnership between Aston Martin and Red Bull Racing, long before Aston went solo in F1. Under the hood, this car packs a 6.5-liter V12 engine that pumps out a staggering 1,160 horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. And with a top speed of 250 miles per hour, it has become one of the fastest road-legal cars. Only 175 units of the Valkyrie are being produced, making it a highly exclusive vehicle with features like a carbon fiber body, digital display, and racing-style controls. All this comes with a price tag of $3.5 million. It's all hard-earned. Like, come on. His dad put him in a real go-kart at the age of 4 when normal kids are usually playing with toys. Verstappen also owns a private jet that will make your bank account go invisible, as the Falcon 900 EX is reportedly worth around $15 million. If you haven't watched the expensive car collections of Lewis Hamilton and Charles Leclerc till now, then click on the link in the description box and press the notification bell right now to find out whose personal car collection is a real champion. It's more like a competition now.